So welcome back to the new lecture. Friends, in today's class, in this lecture, we are going to learn about the how to create a group of products. So once again, go to the dashboard here. So go to the dashboard here. So in order to add any group of products, the thing needed is we must have been added the simple products or the individual products have been added. Okay, then only the group of products option will get appeared. So in order to add that one, go to add products, go to all products or the add product by going to the add product here also. You can go to add a new product here, add a new product. Now you will select the group of products, add a new product. For example, if you are going to add a product of again, grocery. Under the grocery, we will be having some products. So I'm adding nameplate just home nameplate like that I'm adding. So now see, you have to give the product description, whatever the description you will give here, that only will appear there. Okay. So same nameplate, same name I'm giving. Home nameplate. And here also I'm giving the regular price as I can select the regular price of the product. Here, go to the simple product, first one. Under this one, select the group products, grouped product. So if we have the category, already we have nameplate, right? So we can show up the under this one grouped products. So now grouped products, what are the grouped products? See, for example, chili, right? So hand-picked red chilies. Next one, what we have on our home page, you can go and check the home page there and you can select that page that will show up there. Under the grocery, chili is there, grocery. This is what fresh organic honey and then pulses. That one is selected. Organic honey and pulses. Okay, like that, the group of products will be automatically get selected. And in under the upsell category, what I would like to show, go to once again the home page. Organic France scrub, natural, exacted, editable. Yes. Yeah. So like that, I have selected the group of images, products here. Okay. So what is the home plate I am showing up here? So I will select the product category now here, product category, go to the upload images or the category of the products here. The name, the details of the product. First, I will give the product. Product gallery. Gallery means 2-3 products we need to select. And then go to the select the product here. Come up here and come to go to select that product there. Okay, now everything is set. And now you can also give the what kind of category this one? Grocery. So select the category as grocery. Product tags also you can add here. Okay. So tags are grocery, chili, like that. And then what we have here? Organic honey, organic honey. Next add pulses from organic farm, pulses, like that. You can add. Okay, all these things have been added now. And now keep all these things as it is, same remaining. And here go for publishing. And you will select the home nameplate. First one is nameplate one, right? So now it is coming under the category of second one. So you go to the opening the URL of this page. Then you may see that, oh, I hadn't given the purchase, price. That's why it is showing up here like this. So this is the first one. Okay. And here we can select the category. Hand picked, the chilies also selected. Pulses, all these things have been already selected. If somebody wants to sell, I am selling the first one. What I am doing here is I am selling this product here. Okay. And the default the page has been selected here is the maximum range is 15 to 34 here, right? So home nameplate, that's why it is taken as the from these prices it has taken the price. So we can give the price category. So whenever we are going to add the category, that's why then we can give the category. So n number of things people can select, or if somebody wants to see why this is selected, what is this organic honey? If they want to again see the image, then they will see the category of the honey, fresh organic honey. Like that, they can select here. Why it is selected? They can see the details over there. So like that, it will be gets ordered. Okay. So have you seen here? This is called as the upselling of these products. This kind of category, this kind of selling is called as the upselling of product. If he likes, he can give the order, add to cart. And if you go back, you may also like. So these are the two products under these one: natural extracted editable oil, organic face scrub. We have selected these two products under the cross sell. Okay, so this is called as the what the upselling of the products, and this is called as the cross selling of the product. I hope you got the clarity, friends. And here also related products also they will show up like that. Okay, so this is how we can make the addition of the simple products and the group of products. Okay, friends, in the upcoming classes we will learn about how to add the variable products and affiliate products. So thank you so much for being connected. Have a nice day.